Well, we start off with a lot of clouds this morning and a few showers, and the clouds are starting to break out. We'll continue to see a few showers, but those are going to be primarily over there on the Olympic Peninsula and out towards the coast. And we'll see a little bit of that kind of sneak on through. You see an area right now, this is mid to late morning. We're seeing a few little showers starting to show up on the Doppler radar around Shelton and down towards Elma. You might see a few sprinkles of very light showers out of it. Not really going to amount to much. And up in the northern counties, Whatcom, Skagit counties over towards San Juan, you might see a few scattered sprinkles today. And up in the Cascades, seeing some light snow, but accumulations out of that are generally going to be less than an inch, so we might get a couple inches up near the Canadian border up towards Mount Baker. Looking out for our Bellingham Tower cam, still pretty gray up there right now, and you can see, of course, it's closer to those systems. You can see a little ripple there on the Marina water because they're seeing some wind gusts about 15 to 25 miles per hour. As the low pressures move through BC, it's giving us some south winds up through the sound, and there in Everett, seeing some clearing skies, some nice blue showing up there. Camera moving there. We're seeing wind gusts into the 25 to 30 mile per hour range around the Everett area. Those will probably diminish as we head towards this afternoon. Nothing too serious out there. It's kind of gray there at SeaTac, and you can see down in Tacoma, skies beginning to break out as well. Along the coastal beaches, we've been seeing some showers this morning, but right now, seeing a little bit of a sun break moving through there. Satellite image shows what we've been looking at all week. These systems moving across the Pacific. Once they reach the point right there by the Aleutians right now, they split up, and part of it goes up to the north over a ridge of high pressure. Part drops down into a big low pressure area, and then they come into the coast and come back together pretty close to the Pacific Northwest, with rain down from the south portion down in Oregon and California, and the northern portion going primarily through British Columbia, but coming close enough to us to give us just those few showers that we're dealing with right now. If you're headed up to the mountain passes, see there at Snoqualmie Pass, looking a little on the damp side. You might still be seeing some flurries going on there. And over to Stevens, we've got the bare pavement. No driving problems across the Cascades at all. They're just basically bare and dry with a little bit of slush or ice in places for some of the passes overall, and not looking for a whole lot of accumulation. In the last 24 hours, we've gotten an inch at Snoqualmie and Stevens passes. Then Mount Baker reported about 3 inches, and just a trace for Crystal Mountain and White Pass. Probably going to do that again for the next couple of days for that matter. Looking at the extended forecast for the mountains, you can see that's in fact the case. We're going to be seeing showers today and tomorrow. Snow level should run right around 3,000 feet, so should pretty much stay snow at all the highway mountain passes and the bases of the ski areas. As we head into the weekend, though, high pressure is going to push in here, and that is going to begin to clear us out. We'll see more sunshine and gradually warmer temperatures as we head towards the end of the week. So if you're headed up to do any skiing or snowboarding this weekend, expect spring conditions, and it does look like we'll start to see some precipitation move back in again around midweek, though snow levels will start off probably right around 6,000 feet. Take a look at the snow between now and Friday morning. You can see just a little bit accumulating, just an inch or so for Snoqualmie and Stevens passes, maybe 2 or 3 inches up around Mount Baker. And then if we check it out from Friday morning to Saturday morning, about the same again. We'll see just most of the precipitation up there towards the border, and maybe just a trace for Stevens and Snoqualmie passes. Looking at temperatures today, they're going to start to warm up a little bit today, upper 40s and low 50s, and then we'll see maybe a little step back as we head towards the weekend initially in the mid to upper 40s on Saturday, but then beyond that, a little bit more sunshine and those temperatures getting into the low to mid 50s as we head into the first part of next week. That chance of showers starts moving back in here as we head towards midweek, and then looks like we see showers off and on and cooler temperatures as we head towards the end of next week.